Hi everybody, it's Birdie from My Favorite Quilt Store, and I get to introduce this wonderful new kit that we've got. I shouldn't say new. We've done this in several different colors before. In fact, I've made this quilt 3 different times. I did one with the black background fabric with purple flowers and stuff. Then I did the softer one that's in like a gray with pinks and light blues. It's real muted compared to that black one. And then I got to do the fall one, which I just love. But now we're going to get to do it in red. So these are very popular. These people seem to like these kits, and we've been selling a lot of them. So I'm going to start and show you some tips. We're going to do some follow-up videos, but I just wanted to introduce this to you and let you know that I'm really excited to see how this one turns out, because I haven't done this one yet, but perfect for Valentine's Day and for springtime. So I'm hoping that you would maybe buy one, do it yourself. They're beautiful, people love them, and it's a fun quilt kit to make for a good beginner quilt. So come back and look for some of our tutorial videos regarding the making of this heart quilt.